Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a pendrive into Windows 10 bootable device. In my previous video, I have told you how to download the bootable software, that is Rufus and Baleno. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this pendrive bootable device. First of all, open your browser and click here. Before clicking, just right click on screen and click inspect here. Okay, then refresh. You have to come to mobile, any of the chosen settings, then go for search, type Windows, just a minute, you have to type Windows ISO 10. Here the first link, go inside it. When you get inside, scroll down, you will get something like Windows 10 2023 update version, select edition, Windows 10 multi edition and confirm, and select product language. It will ask you the language. We'll go with English, confirm. Once you do this, it will be asking downloads for Windows 10 English, that is 32-bit or 64. Right now we are using 64-bit, so I'll go with 64. Once you see the downloads will be started, you can see here it is of about 5.7 GB. So your pendrive must be greater than 5.7. that is, you can either choose 8 GB pendrive or 16 or 32 or 64. Below this you can't use. Okay, stay tuned. Now you can see I have downloaded this. You just don't want to open anything here, just close it. Now open Baleno Etcher. Once you click, it will automatically open the windows. Once you see this, just plug in your pendrive into the system. Once you enter the pendrive, you will get to see the name here. Next, choose the flash device, that is downloads and Windows ISO. Continue. Just use the button flash, so it will start flashing. It will ask you the permission, give yes. Once you give yes, it was starting, but unlike Rufus, we cannot choose MBR and GPT partition over here. This is more unlikely used for new systems, so wait until this completes. Stay tuned, guys. In middle, you will be asking this permission, do you want to format it? Just click format, then it will start continue. So now you can see the flash is completed. If you want to flash another, you can just click here flash another and insert another pendrive, or else you just click close. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.